Hello and welcome to another video. As you can see right behind me, we have another client car for today, and I just gonna walk you through what we did to the car in the past few days. He's here, I think, the second time now. The first time we installed him the front lip, that's from this one right here. That's from HT Auto, same as the side skirts. They are also from HT Auto. We already installed that, I think, 3 to 4 weeks ago, maybe even more, but I think it was this year, so a couple of weeks ago. Now we installed, as you can see up here, some more goodies, and as you can see, the car is also lowered a bit. He got H&R springs, just so 30 or 35 millimeter lower. Not that much, but I think it's enough for the car to look really nice. And yeah, we installed the rear parts as well. So the rear wing, and from Maxton, I think, and also the vents in the bumper and the rear diffuser, which makes the rear look very, very nice. So that's all we did to this car, just some optical mods. And yeah, even with the stock wheels, the car looks very good, but have a look for yourself. So it's, oh yeah, and he got the camber bolts front and back. That's just so we could set up the car properly and have a decent alignment, which we've just done. So yeah, that's basically everything we've done to the car. So we just improved it optic wise a little bit lower, a little bit side skirts, a little bit front lip and rear diffuser, and I think it suits the car very, very well. So let's have a closer look at all the details. So, and this is the rear wing from Maxton. It's just painted in gloss black, which looks very nice, I think. These right here, I'm not sure if I really like that, but yeah. So the rear wing from Maxton, it's just painted in gloss black. It's not carbon fiber. It doesn't look very nice when it comes from the factory. You just have to paint it. And yeah, it's just gloss black painted. It fits very nicely actually, but I don't know if I really like this one. The rest is pretty nice. I think also it looks pretty decent with these studs, and it's quite sturdy. So I think it does a great job. Coming down to the vents, these are the same as on my car. As you can see, the red car shining through the holes. So I don't know if they actually do something, but they look very nice, and they also fit very nice. Installation is a little bit tricky, but it's doable. The rear diffuser, I think that's one of the best things you can buy for the car from Maxton. It just makes the rear pop out much more, so I really do like this part. Installation is not so easy. It's yeah, we have to beep that when I told you, or when I tell you how good it is to install it, but it just looks very nice. And after we've done, I think 6, 7, maybe even more of them right now, and if you have installed a few of those, you get used to it, and then it's quite easy, manageable. The side skirts as well, I think they fit the line of the car pretty nicely. They make a good look, and yeah, they're not painted actually, so just raw black. Same with the front splitter. I don't know if I would really paint this one, because you most likely will get some stone chips, and that could damage the paint, and so yeah, and I already destroyed like 2 of them, so.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I wouldn't really paint it, but for looks it would be most likely a little bit easier. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Have a good week. Goodbye.